Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and pick Additional Settings. Then Keyboard and Input Method, Keyboard that you're using, and Theme. Over here you can tap Show More to see all available options. Choose one, tap on it, and click Apply. You can also download one of the images and apply it as well. As you can see, my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!